Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Let's start another market OTC video with another strategy that's also very simple. Generally, the last strategies I haven't uploaded to the channel have been simple so that you can understand how they work and how you can find entries use my strategies. Let's start with the settings and let's go with this one, okay? With that, we're gonna use classic candles in 5-second zone time frame. Only use fractal indicator, guys. Settings will be 2 periods and shows there, and then click on save, okay? We're gonna start with $20 after that and 30 seconds on expiration time. So what is those strategies consist of, guys? I generally look for entries when 3 fractals appear, there are 3 or 4, and then it would go up or go down based on the movement that is trending. When I find the position, I will take it and explain it, okay? All right, so let's go. So I have the first entry on this one KJPY. I have the settings for entry right there. We can see the bottom as well. The price is falling sharply, yes, but look at the fractal. This one doesn't count as such. This one at the counter, this it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fractals at once. Of the candles at the third fractal is activated and go along because the trend is moving, and look, okay, you can see that 3 red fractal, and look at this, guys. We are next to get our first one, $38 of profit, guys. I got my first hit on that. I got the answer quickly. It's very good, of course. And there's the wide range of 3, 4, 5 appears. They have to wait for the direction to break because sometimes I give them a false entry. But well, for example, of the first position, it's happened as it is. Let's look for another entry. I will look for another entry with the same criteria of the same 3, 4, 5 fractals. When I have it, to explain it, okay? All right. So on USD Cup, guys, downward this. That's how interesting that's entered. See that the price is good. Here, a resistance is forming. Well, it supports resistance. Here, the price make the 3 fractals and start to go up. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Here the price remain, but look, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen here. It doesn't happen here. It's breaking the force as well. It starts to generate little lows. The entry is danger, but because that's, and look at this. We just got this $72 of profits. That's so good, guys. So good. I'm showing how volatility, man, but the criteria is being met. I went big, but that's how it usually happens in some part in cars and then find entry zone based on the support resistance. Where the price is low down, observe it against the trend. I have to see what it does. If it doesn't break, if this starts to rise and doesn't happen here. I try to enter where? Downward. As long as it's break here, that's considered entry downwards. Okay, I'll wait for this. Here an envelope appears. Look at that. Because there are 3 fractals. Look at this, man. Well, guys, down. That's why I look for the trend. Perfect. I have another one. Let's do this. Explain this. That's very good. We just performed another one on FedEx OTC. That's a different case, guys. It's a different case because here supports, but doesn't go 1, 2, 3, and well, it's look like it's happening. Yeah, it's giving me this. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And look at this, we got another one. $140, $140 in the total. $20 to $140, guys. Of course, you can see that's up to 4, right? It will depend on the price is going and doing the moment in time and the determination and resistance support. If you have any question or concerns, you can leave your opinion in the comments where I can respond to you or ask in daily live sessions, guys. Okay, so see you in the next video. I invite you to like, subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and see you in the daily live sessions, guys. Have a great day and see you later. I wish you good profits, good operations. All right, and don't forget about the risk management. That is very important. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.